This is donated by a 93-year-old lady.
This one?
Yes.
There's something about this plane.
This is the first one that took off from an aircraft carrier or something like that.
It is a very interesting looking plane.
That's the first one.
The first aircraft carrier, the USS Langley CV-1. And this is the first plane that took off from it.
Mm-hmm.
That is a really neat looking plane. Well, if I was collecting airplanes, I'd want one of these, and I kind of like the next one too. The whole thing is fabric. In the old days it was fabric, now it's kind of a plastic they use. It's made by Boeing, an FB5. It's parked right next to, that is the definition of an air-cooled engine. Cylinders are completely out in the wind. That looks very effective, but a lot of drag. And this is a P12, also made by Boeing. Gosh, the pilot must have been breathing the carbon monoxide all day long. You can get really right up to this one. Oh, we can't go past this, sorry.
Thank you. Yeah.
I'm usually